Here's a classic Lasko B2200. Testing it at this thrift store. It's for sale, just that I'm just testing it just to make sure it works, because as you guys can tell, this thing is filthy. Found it on that shelf over there. There's a herd of tower fans. But I'm gonna go ahead and see here. It is a Lasko. Just to be fair, this is a Lasko. Don't get me wrong, it's on Galaxy. This one has gotten a lot of use before it got sold. I'm assuming this was probably used in a warehouse. They have a few. This one is definitely even more dirty on the back. Here's the cord, which seems to be good. And if I remember correctly, this one is actually the 4-year-old model. This one is from 2019 to 20. If I can you guys read that? I don't know. It's kind of hard to see. But yeah, I'm not even sure if this runs or not. I mean, they're selling it for $8. I mean, this thing definitely took some hours before it got sold, like I said. So I'm gonna get it plugged in and test it. She runs. It runs. It's definitely slower than it usually is. I would definitely go back. And I've seen dirtier ones on YouTube, like from Tori the Fan Man. He collected one of these, it was a 2019 model. And that one was just infested with cigarettes. At least it does run for my case. It's not blowing a whole lot of air, but that's nice. So that's low speed. This medium. And it's already not, it's blowing the dust inside of it. I'm glad it runs though. Air's high. That's decent. It's pretty well balanced, but I mean, I'm kind of impressed with it. I do like these Lasko box fans for reasons. Considering that these fans are crap today. I've gotten multiple of these in the past. I even have one from 2017, and that one was clean. Anyways, thanks for watching.